Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rishika's Education Life, and here is your video for the workshop warming and also the margin of the lesson My Financial Career. एंड गाइज मैंने इस पर एक्सप्लेनेशन वीडियो इस लेसन पर ऑलरेडी अपने चैनल पर अपलोड कर दिया है, जिसके लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएंगे. एंड फॉर ऑल दी 9th स्टैंडर्ड पोएम्स एंड लेसन एक्सप्लेनेशन एज वेल एज फॉर दी वार्मिंग मार्जिन एंड वर्कशॉप, प्लीज़ go to the my channel and please subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and share my video. So now let's start with the first warming up of this lesson. And first of all, a very happy Mahashivratri to all of you, and to your family also. So let's start with the video now. So first one is the warming up. Here your yours, and the first question here is it is the deposit slip. Okay, you can say see, when you open a saving account at bank, you need to fill up deposit form, slips. Observe the following forms and fill up the details. सो बेसिकली एट द टाइम ऑफ सेविंग अकाउंट जब आप खोलते हो, सो आपको एक स्लिप दी जाती है, और दिस इज़ अ डिपॉजिट स्लिप ऑल्सो. सो आप जब बैंक में पैसे जमा करने जाते हो, सो आपने ये स्लिप कभी भरी होगी, आई थिंक सो. एंड ये बेसिकली आपकी एक्टिविटी टाइप है, सो यू कैन स्किप दिस एंड विल नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द वार्मिंग अप. सो हेयर इज़ योर क्वेश्चन, राइट इन योर ओन वर्ड्स. ओके, एंड बेसिकली इसके आंसर्स बहुत ईजी हैं, आप खुद से भी इसे ट्राई कर सकते हो. वाई डज द बैंक नीड सो मैनी डिटेल्स ऑफ इट्स कस्टमर. कस्टमर के इतने सारे डिटेल्स बैंक क्यों लेता है? ओके, क्यों उसे ज़रूरत रहती है? द बैंक्स नीड सो मैनी डिटेल्स ऑफ इट्स कस्टमर टू कीप रिकॉर्ड्स एंड अकाउंट्स ऑफ ऑल द ट्रांजेक्शंस TRANSACTIONS that take place in the bank. It keep the details of the customers as a proof to avoid any chance of banking fraud. What problems do customers face when they have to make a cash deposit at a bank? जब बैंक में वो कैश डिपॉजिट करने जाते हैं कस्टमर्स, तो उनको क्या प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं? सो द आंसर इज customers face the following difficulties when they have to make a cash deposit at a bank. First is may be asked to submit KYC document. Second, can face a long queue. Or third, have to fill a deposit form. D is may forget or not have all the details needed at the time of deposit. Okay, so next question. So that is C1. What are the latest modern methods of depositing money in your own or somebody else account? सो अभी के टाइम में बहुत सारे लेटेस्ट मेथड्स आ गए हैं, यस, जिससे आप पैसे डिपॉजिट कर सकते हो अपने खुद के खाते में या फिर किसी और के अकाउंट में. सो द आंसर इज द लेटेस्ट मॉडर्न मेथड्स ऑफ डिपॉजिटिंग मनी इन आवर ओन और समबडीज अकाउंट आर. So first is depositing cash at a cash counter at a branch of the bank. Second is depositing cash in machines at ATM centers and branches using your ATM or debit card. Using online banking system to transfer money from one account to another using the internet. Okay, it is INTERNET. Okay, internet. D is depositing cash or transferring money from one account to another using an electronic payment companies or kiosk, using mobile wallets, SMS transfer through smartphones. Okay, so next is, so the question is make a word web of at least 12 words related to banking. Yes, banking से आपको 12 जो 12 words हैं जो related होंगे banking के, उसको use करके आपको यहाँ पर एक word web बनाना है. Okay. So this one is the draft, cash, deposit, withdraw, transfer, branch, clerk, CLERK, account, manager, credit, currency, check, draft. Okay, so now we'll move next, that is your margin. So first margin question is what makes the narrator nervous at the bank. So narrator को क्या चीज़ nervous कर रही थी जब वो बैंक में थे? Okay, at the bank what thing nervous is the narrator? The answer is the whole thing. Okay, the whole setting inside a bank, including the clerks, the windows, counters, and the sight of money make the narrator nervous at a bank. What word should he have avoided in his request to see the manager? So मैंने आपको बताया था at the time of explanation कि जब वो मैनेजर से मिलने की रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे थे तब वो कौन सी बात, कौन से वर्ड को बार बार बोल रहे थे, एंड उन्होंने ये एक्सेप्ट किया है कि वो उन्हें नहीं बोलना चाहिए था. ओके, सो द वर्ड इज अलोन. यस, So here is the answer. The narrator should have avoided the word alone in his request to see the manager. Okay, you may take the screenshot. Next question is, why was the manager alarmed? Okay, why was वो चौकन्ना क्यों हो गया था manager? The manager was alarmed because he felt that the narrator had an awful secret to reveal. Who did he think was his visitor? यहाँ पर he जो है, he is the manager. मैनेजर ने जो विजिटर थे, जो नैरेटर थे, उनको क्या समझा? ओके, क्या समझा था? The manager thought that his visitor was either a detective, okay, either a detective from Pinkerton or a son of a wealthy man like Baron Rothschild or Gold. Okay. What procedure did the author have to follow to open the account? अकाउंट को खोलने के लिए क्या प्रोसीजर ऑथर ने फॉलो किया था? In order to open the account, the author went up. Okay, the author went up to the accountant's window, gave the money he wanted to deposit, wrote the sum on slip, and signed his name in a book. Okay, you may take the screenshot. What error did the author make in the check? Did he correct it? So author ने क्या गड़बड़ी कर दी थी चेक को लिखते टाइम, और क्या उन्होंने उसे करेक्ट किया? The author wanted to draw out $6 of the total amount he had deposited for his personal use. But while filling the check, the author mistakenly wrote, it is WROTE, wrote 56 instead of 6. As he became aware of his mistake, he did not correct it, rather withdraw the same amount that he had written and left from the bank. Why did the author pretended to appear like a bad-tempered man? Author ऐसा क्यों behave कर रहे थे कि वो उन्हें बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा आता है? Okay, he is a bad-tempered man. The author pretended to appear like a bad-tempered man because he did not want to make the clerks feel that he had made a foolish mistake. Rather, he wanted to show them that something had made him feel, it is FEEL, insulted while he was writing his check, so he changed his mind and withdraw all money. What decision has the author taken after the episode at the bank? So बैंक में ये सब होने के बाद author ने क्या decision लिया था? Okay. After the episode at the bank, the author decided that he would never open an account in any bank and would keep his cash in his trouser pocket and his saving in silver dollars in a socks. Is the author's last decision wise? So author ने जो last में decision लिया था, क्या वो सही था? No, the author's last decision is not wise because keeping one's money in cash in trouser pockets and saving in a socks is not a good idea. It is a mismanagement and an unsafe way to keep money. Though the narrator felt insulted while trying to open a bank account, he should not have recoiled from using a bank account altogether. He would have learned the procedure of a bank eventually. A bank account is the best possible way to manage MANAGE and save one's money. You may take the screenshot. So here is your English workshop. Okay, we'll start from the first question. Find from the lesson the antonyms of the following. So आपको basically इसके opposite words ढूंढने हैं from the your lesson. So you may take the screenshot. And next is the fill the blanks choosing the appropriate word or item from the lesson. Okay, you may take the screenshot of this. Okay, now we'll directly move to the third one. Using the following points, frame a character sketch of the narrator. Support each character trait with intents from the lesson. ओके सो यहाँ पर आपको एक तरह से आप कह सकते हो पॉइंट्स दिए हुए हैं जिसके बेसिस पे आपको कैरेक्टर स्केच बताना है ऑफ द नरेटर. द नरेटर ऑफ द स्टोरी फेल्ट नर्वस when he had to deal with banking matters. He was a reserved kind of a man. Sorry, it is reserved. Okay, RESERVED, reserved kind of a man, and did not deal much with economic affairs. As he entered into the bank, he became defended and timid. He started behaving in an unusual way. The sight of money, it is money, money, clerks and window counters intimidated him and he became confused. He can be called economically since he believed in saving and wanted to deposit the increased amount of his salary. He did not seem totally ignorant about banking, but the whole setting and ambitions within made him leave the bank. Okay, so we'll move to the next question. So this one is related to grammar. Rewrite the following in indirect speech. First is, can I see the manager? I said. Certainly, said the accountant. So you will write, I asked if I could see the manager. The accountant replied that I certainly could. Next is, good morning, I said and stepped into the safe. Come out, said the manager coldly. I wished good morning and stepped into the safe. The manager coldly asked me to come out. The word seems to mean, let us do this painful thing while the fit is on us. The word seems to suggest that we did this painful thing while the fit was on us. What? Are you drawing it all out again? He asked in surprise. Yes, the whole thing, I said. He exclaimed and asked in surprise whether I was drawing it all out again. I answered in affirmation that I was drawing the whole thing. Next, how will you have it? He said. In 50s, I said. He asked how I will have it. I replied that I would have it in 50s. So next is read the statement, write your views first and counter view later in two separated passages. Online net banking is better than going personally to the bank for transactions. So this is view and counter view. So the answer is this is views. Online net banking gives you the opportunity to access all your accounts at any time and from anywhere. It saves times, manpowers, etc. One can avail many offers and discounts available online. It simplifies procedure, government, re-maintenance or payment of taxes. It makes online shopping, booking of railway tickets, etc. much easier. EASIER. This is counter view. Online net banking is not so user-friendly for many of the banking customer. They may not be set savvy or net savvy. You need a high-speed internet connection to operate an online account. These are issues like server connectivity that affect all transactions. Also, online hackers and internet frauds are big security threats. People find it difficult to remember the password and keep it secure. These issues are faced by a large majority. Okay, so this much is the video now. And guys, keep supporting me and thank you for watching. Be safe.